So this is actually my second attempt at doing a proper tech video. It's not quite as easy as some of them make it look. Anyway, what I have here is a dashcam, not unlike the one featured in one of Big Clive's videos, except this is a cheap knockoff of the one he had, as you'll see when I open it. Same problem though, not powering down gracefully, not holding a charge, so it's the lithium battery inside that's gone bad. Okay, so I'll show you that right now. I've got it hooked up to my bench supply here, which is just an ATX supply. For hobby projects, you're never really going to need anything more than that. There's no point in spending a lot of money on one of these supplies. You know, you've got your 12 volts, your 5 volts, your 3v3. You know, that's pretty much all you need. Anyway, this is what happens. It turns on, okay. And it just dies when the power goes off. So let's open the thing. Okay. As you can see, this is the quality is quite a bit inferior. Flexible connector there is just soldered onto the board. Yeah, looks like it's going to snap. Hopefully I don't snap it. Don't know what they're doing here. I think as Dave Jones would say, that's a bit how you doing. Well, what do you expect for £10? Right, so I'm just going to take these off. Right, this one's a wee bit bigger, same as Big Clive did pretty much. Except I'm not going to mess about with the circuit here. I'm just going to cut the connector straight off. As he did, make sure it's discharged before use, because you really don't want to mess about with lithium batteries. Make sure to just cut the connector off. Do these one at a time, because you don't want to short circuit the thing either. And just strip the ends. Cut a wee bit off there. And I'm just going to tin the ends of those. Yeah, I misplaced my sponge, so I'm using a bit of soggy boggle. Throw some fresh lead-based solder on here. And connect the battery. Well, that's it back together. A bit of a tight fit, but let's power it up and see if it works. Put the card in. And if it does work, I would expect it to power down gracefully when turned off. Oh, that's a great start. I've actually connected the thing. Let's try that again, shall we? And the moment of truth. Okay, it should be turning off. Oh, there we go. Yes! Oh, I'd call that a success. Let's get the thing back together. Okay, putting it back together, I did manage to damage that shitty connector for the screen, but I did get around it by kind of shoving everything in, and as you see the screen's not quite where it should be, but we don't care about that. It works. So yeah, I'd consider that a success. Hopefully I'll make some more videos, better ones than this. I'll put a link to that Big Clive video because, obviously he did it a bit better than I did. Anyway, that's all for now. Cheerio!